Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Hyundai Ioniq 5 and vs BYD Seal, which is better. Please follow along as I break down the real differences so you can decide which electric car fits your needs. I will cover performance, range, interior comfort, charging practicality, and ownership costs in plain terms. Expect direct comparisons, pros and cons, and clear takeaways to help you choose between these two compelling EVs. Let's talk performance and handling in friendly terms so you can picture each car on the road. I'll describe acceleration, power delivery, steering feedback, and suspension character, highlighting where each model shines and where compromises appear. Whether you prefer a spirited drive or composed daily commuting, I'll point out the tangible differences that matter for real-world driving and spirited weekend runs. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. I've been using leak-proof meal prep containers that make taking snacks and lunches to the track or charging stops simple and stress-free. Check the video description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Range and practicality often decide ownership happiness, so I'll explain how each car performs in everyday use. We'll compare advertised range, typical real-world numbers, charging speeds, and how the interiors handle passengers and cargo. I'll also discuss charging networks, home charging practicality, and how advertised metrics translate to your commute and road trips, giving you a clear sense of which model suits daily life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.